thank you so much for watching again. We are at door number 18 of the official commemorative advent calendar. And we've gotten lots and lots of very pretty Disney coins already. And let's find out who we got today. Door number 18 does not want to open. There it is. And which movie is it? It's Cinderella. Here is the coin of the day. It's Cinderella and she's holding her glass slipper. Very pretty coin, I think. Lovely. The fun fact of today is that Eleanor Audley did the voice of Lady Tremaine, the evil stepmother of Cinderella. And she also did the voice of Maleficent. So I think that's very funny that she did both of them. And I've never noticed that. But, well, anyway, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish you a terrific day. And I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.